Ladies and gentlemen, are you wondering how to live a happy and healthy life? Well, exercise is the answer.
You can't stop an avalanches of races down the hill. You can try to stop the seasons, girl, but you know you never will.
The next exercise is push-up. Push-up helps you to strengthen your upper body and build muscle. Watch.
The drums that I'm on my way. You can't stop the beat. Ever since this whole world began, a woman thought that if she shake it, she could shake up the man. So I'm gonna shake it, shimmy it the best that I can too.
The next exercise is the sit-up. The sit-up promotes good posture by working your lower back and flatten your belly. Watch.
On the move it nice and sweet and sexy. Alright, woman you cute, I don't need no makeup. Original cute body, you want me part for the woman you cute, I don't need no makeup. Original cute body, you want me part for the woman. Physically fit, physically fit, physically, woman, physically fit.
And the next exercise is the plank. The plank helps to strengthen your body balance and to improve your core and abdomen.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it.
And our final exercise is dancing. Dancing helps you to improve your mental health and relieve stress. My dear, my darling, the key to a happy and long living life is exercise. So stay happy, stay fit, and exercise often.